give up that, of course, which is rightfully belongs to the devatas, you will, of course. मैं देवा को राज न दूंगा पृथ्वी बीरगढ़ मैं देवता. He told Pushpadan Sankachud, go and tell your Lord that I am returning nothing that I take from them. If he wants it, let him come and collect it from me. But I would not be returning anything to the devatas. जिसके ऊपर चढ़ा हूँ वीर पृथ्वी अध में इसमें निसंदेह पहले रुद्र पर चढ़ाई करूंगा. When Lord Shiva heard this, my dear friends, instantly, Bhagwan says very beautifully, Sanat Kumar explains, Rudravacha, when he heard this, the anger that grew inside of him, Te Veer Badreta Nandi Chetrapala Ashtabhaidava Sarve Ganasha Sannadyasyuta Yuddha Bala Shalinaha. He sent for Nandi, you know Nandi, the bull? And he sent, of course, for the Chetrapal. The Chetrapal is a set of attendants of Lord Shiva, a set of devatas that serve the Lord. When you worship the Chausat, the Yoginis, 64 in number, there is also a set of 49 devatas that is worshipped. They are called Chetrapal Dev. They are the attendants of Lord Shiva. Remember one night I was explaining to you, Shivji do have devotee like you and I alone, my dear friends, who does dress up nice and pretty sari and thing. Shivji have all kind of devotee. Some of them, the head has been in the hand, remember I was explaining to you? Some of them, they can't worship him on a normal head. You have to give them something to spice up the head, and then they go remember him. And those who don't go to worship him, when he cracked that trishul behind them, my dear friends, some of them, if they are walking, they roll in, go in and bowling, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. That is how Lord Shiva is. That is why he's called Deva, Deva, Jagannath. Bhoot, Pret, Pisach, Baital, Brahma, Rakshas, all the different type of spirit you could think about, they are all his devotees. They love Shmashan Nivasane. He does live on the cremation ground. What you go find on the cremation ground, beta? Devta and angels? Anytime anybody tells you to go and buy the cremation ground any night, they ain't going to look for no Devta, beta. They're looking for another type of Devta. And they are all the devotees of Lord Shiva. So he summoned Sarve Ganasha, that all of the Ganas, he says, prepare. Kumaram Bhyam Savavadhya Nirgachatum Mama Agyaha Swasenya Bhadrakali Nirgachatu Raneyacha. That in addition to all of them, he sent, of course, see that Murti next to Lord Ganesh? The goddess known as Bhadrakali. Jayanti Mangala Kali, Bhadrakali Kapalini, Durga Kshama, Swaha Swadha Namastute. He also sent, my dear friends, for her. He says, prepare yourself, O Devi. Nirgacham Yadya Satvaram, that we are going to war. Stamlochanam, Bhagwan says very beautifully, Biropi Britikishchaiva Manibhadrasya Vashkalaha Kapaloki Dirdansho Kim Stam Lochanaha. They, of course, they met on a place where Kapil Rishi was doing tapasya on the base of the Himalayas, a very beautiful place, Pushpabhadra. They, Lord Shiva sent, of course, the message for Sankachud, and very beautifully, Sanat Kumar explains that when they came there, my dear friends, he didn't come alone. Just like Lord Shiva, who walked with all of his attendants, so too Sankachud came with Akshauhini. You know what is Akshauhini? Akshauhini is a division, a number of chariots, 100,000s of men, how many thousands of elephants and so forth. He came there and they all gathered and they waited for battle. Shivji, of course. Sanat Kumar explained, Ashtau cha Bhairava Raudra, the 8 Bhairos, Ashta Bhairav cha Bhairava Raudra Rudraha, Ekadasha, the 11 Rudras, Yosava Ishtava, Dwadish Aditya, the 12 sons, Chadrum, Hutashanascha Chandrashta, the fire god, the moon god, Vishwakarma Ashwinau, Lord Vishwakarma, the architect of the devatas, Ashwin Kumar, Kubirascha Yamashchaiva, Lord Kubir, the devotee of Lord Shiva, Yamashchaiva, they all gathered in that place. Vayu, Varun Tatha, Bandhu Mangaladi, Graha Tatha, Mahabali Shankar, Samipa Gaya. And they waited, of course, for Lord Shiva. The goddess, of course, was there. Jo Ratna Sreshta Ratna Vaha Bhagavati, that goddess bedecked in red clothing, Biman jate upar Bhagavati birajman ki lal vastra, bedecked in the most beautiful of red clothing and decorations. Anulepanam lagaye, nachati hansre aur, that every time she stood, my dear friends, she would dance and smile and sing. अच्छा स्वर में गति हुआ, अपने भक्तों को अभय, शत्रु को भय देते हुए हुआ. That when Sankachud saw her, my dear friends, his eyes even became amazed by the grace of the goddess. Ugradanscha, Ugradanda, Kodata Kota Bhastatha, Swayam Shatabhujo Devi, Bhadrakali, Maheshwari. Very fierce weapons, very fierce, of course, all sorts of pointed and fierce weapons. Kodataha, some of them, of course, bereft of any clothing, they went there. Agatya Tatha Satra Yogi Nam Trikoti Bhid. All the yoginis, the servants of the goddess that serve her from place, Bhoot, the many types of spirit, Bhoot, Preta, Pisacha, Kushman, the Brahmadakshas, they who are called Kushman, Brahmadakshas, a different type of spirit, Betal, they who are called the Betalas, Rakshashchaiva, Yashishchaiva, Sa Kinnaraha, together with all of the Kinnaras, they went there, my dear friends, and they waited for battle with Sankachud. And when Sankachud, of course, arrived there and he saw the greatness, Bhagwan says very beautifully, a beautiful war took place. They engaged each other in fierce battle, Sankachud, the forces of Sankachud, of course, and the forces of Kalima. That so terrible was that war. Ataha samashivam chakarsa punaha tatha papao madhavim narat ranudhyaha. Sant Kumar बोले तब उसने संग्राम स्थल में जाकर सिद्धानंद किया. देवी की उस सिद्धांत दानव मूर्छित हो गया. That the goddess, she would open her jaw, my dear friends, yojans wide, thousands and thousands of miles, and she would consume, of course, the many danavas, the blood of the many danavas that were there. As they were struck and they were destroyed by her fierce weapons, again and again, she, of course, बारंबार भगवती भयंकर सिंहनाद किया और बारंबार madhupan, she would roar fiercely like a lion, or madhupan. Madhupan means she would drink of the, you know, for Naratam, that when you mix a jal, a dhar, and you give to her, that dhar is called madhupan. That is what she partakes of. Do you know why you offer that dhar? That dhar is considered to be a great drink to the goddess. That whenever she goes into battle, sangram, jeet, and she becomes weakened, and she partakes of that dhar, she becomes energized. And like this madhupan kar, yuddha bhumi nitya karne lagi. When she drank of that dhar, my dear friends, Khangam chakra gadeshu chapa bariganchulam bushundim siddha sangham sadaratim kadai sirenam sarvang bhushabritam Nilashamurtim masyapada jashakam seve mahakalikam Yamastwa sapite haro kamalajo hantum madhu kaitabham. Just as she danced and she destroyed Madhu and Kaitab, so that goddess upon the battlefield, she destroyed the forces of Shankachud. Shankachud uski pralay ki. When he saw this, my dear friends, he became filled with anger. And when that happened, Bhagwan says very beautifully, Drishtava Kalim Shankachud. Although, my dear friends, he was an enemy of the gods, when he saw the goddess Ambika in all of her appearance, Samayayo Dandavashamaya Praptarajabhyo Bhayam. What did he do? He came down, he put his hands together, and he bowed to the goddess. Not for one moment before striking at her did he have such, my dear friends, arrogance in his heart. He stepped down from his chariot, he put his hands together, and he bowed at the feet of the goddess. Although he was an enemy of the Devatas, he showed respect. Bhagwan teaches us that even sometimes to our enemy or one who is inimical to us, we must maintain what is called, even our religion tells you, Rajniti tells you, politics, and even in warfare, there must be some rules. There is always rules that apply even when we are engaging our enemy. Never should we transgress dharma at any time. So Bhagwan says, like this, seeing all of these terrible ones, he bent, of course, and he offered his salutation to the goddess. And when he did that, my dear friends, प्रतापी शंकाचुप बेग से ऊपर कर गया, फिर नीचे आकर भद्रकाली प्रणाम कर स्थित हुआ और महाश्रेष्ठ रत्नों वन में विमान पर स्थित। Then he mounted on his chariot once again, भ्रांति रहित प्रपन्न हो युद्ध निमित्त होगा, and he utilized every weapon that was present. इधर क्रोधकाली with the greatest of anger and vengeance, क्रोधकाली, he rained, my dear friends, every possible arrow he could have gotten against the Mahadevi Jagadamba. रुद्र पार निकलने लगे, उस समय अशिर रानी बानी सुना. She became so overcome with anger and with the terrible destruction, my dear friends, that which wails during the Mahapralay, that she rushed towards him to take his life. And the moment she reached close to him, Ashirani from the heavenly region, Ashirani Vani Suna, इस समय युद्ध एक लाव दानव रुधिरद शेष, that हे देवी, संग्राम में इस दानव राज के मनोर इच्छा न करो, that you cannot destroy him, O Devi. That is not predicted for you. यहाँ शंखचूड तुमसे अवध्य ही निश्चय जाने, that you must leave him on his own. यह वचन, when she listened to the words that rained from the heavenly regions, my dear friends, देखा आकाश मंडल बहुत दानव रुधिर और मान से निकल रहे. She turned, of course, and she consumed all of the danavas that was there, and she went back and she stood at the side of Lord Shiva. When Bhagwan Shivji saw this, my dear friends, Hanskara, he smiled, and Sanat Kumar explains very beautifully that what happened at that point. Sanat Kumar uvacha, Kali yuktam swayam cha samare swagaunasya shankara mahabrishrudda bidabhadra adi sangyuta bhairava chetrapalasya swami mane samanvita रणम प्राप्ते महिषस्य वीररूपं विद्य च शिव शंभो दीनो के शंभो नमो नमः नमो नमः गिरिजापति गंगाधरी हर हर नमो नमः नमो नमः शिव शंभो दीनो के बंधु नमो नमः नमो नमः गिरिजापति गंगाधर हर हर नमो नमः नमो नमः सवारिया शंभु माल ओंकार विशाल की बलिहारी महाकाल विकराल वृषभ के असवारी शंभु माल ओंकार विशाल की बलिहारी अविनाशी सुख राशि सुरासुर नमो नमः गिरिजापति गंगाधर हर हर नमो नमः बोलो शिव शंभो दीनों के बंधु नमो नमः बोलो नमो नमः गिरिजापति गंगाधर हर हर नमो Vikarad Vrishabha ke Asawari. What does that mean? Mahakal. He is the wielder of time. Vikaral Vrishabha ke Asawari. What does he ride upon, my dear friends? What is a Vrishab? What is Vrishab Rasi? The Rasi of the what? Oh my God, we're in trouble. This evening when I came in, Pandit Brijal was asking me what is the Hindi word for book. What is the Hindi word for book? That's not Hindi. Baba, we got to tell them. Pushtak, that is Hindi. Kitab is not Hindi. Kitab is Urdu. Pushtak is Hindi. So what is Bishop, my dear friends? I given you Hindi. You tell me English now because that is our language. Bishop is what? What Lord Shiva does ride upon? Nobody. Well, anybody beside any front. A bull. Yes. Bishop ke aswari. That is what Bishop ke aswari means. He who rides upon the bull. Now what is the name of the bull? Don't tell me come in 5 night jug and you know the name of Lord Shiva bull now. Nandi. Yes. Nandi Ishwar. So he is Brishabha ke aswari. Shambhu mal omkar. Himalaya is omkar. Vishal ke balihari. So he says very beautifully like that. When Lord Shiva, when the goddess come back and she stand up on the side of Lord Shiva, Bhagwan mounted Mahabrishabha Ruddho Veerbhadra Sangyuta together with Veerbhadra. You know who is Veerbhadra? Bhairava Baba. Standing at his side, and he went Bhairavaha Chetrapalasthaiva. Together with the Chetrapal, they charged and they went straight, my dear friends, at Shankachud. Veer Roop Dharan karke Mahashyuddha प्राप्त हुए. उसमें शंकर काल के समान, almost like the god of death himself, Lord Shiva went head on head on with Sankachura. Danav yuddha tayar hua, Nishay Shankar sanmukh aaya. That, like that, being aggravated and wanting, of course, to destroy Sankachura with the greatest. Tab Mahabali Maheshwar uske bad ke nimit yuddha tejasvino dirvar shur grahan kiya. When he picked up the Trishul, my dear friends, and he was ready to unleash the Trishul. The moment, of course, that he had Sankachud in front of him, that when he came, Sankachud, just like Lord Shiva, just like the goddess, when she saw him, when Sankachud saw him, he didn't just stand up and fight with him, He came down, Deva Deva Mahadeva, Namo Jagatpate. That, oh Lord Shiva, I bow to you. He bowed, and then he went to fight Shivji. But when Shivji, of course, for the first time, took the Trishul, my dear friends, and was about to dislodge it, once again, Asharira ki Vani, the heavenly voice, Abhi Shulko mat chodo, don't kill him as yet. You cannot destroy him. Thoda pratna suno, listen to me. Aap kshan Brahman nash karne sarvat samarth hai. You are the embodiment of the divine Brahman, the unseen God. You are the manifestation of that, O Lord Shiva. That do not, ek danav Shankachud marna kya बात है. You cannot, of course, destroy him as yet. आपको वेद को मर्यादा का. You are one who live according to the rules of the Vedas. You always follow, Lord, dharma and virtue. Never do you waver from that path, which is what our lives are supposed to be, my dear friends. We are supposed to stay as close as possible to dharma. Nash na karna chahiye Mahadev. That, O Lord Shiva, do not destroy him. Usko sunkar satya safal karo. That listen to my words. जब तक इसके पाश हरि के उत्तम कवच है और जब तक इसकी श्रीपतिवता है. That around his neck he has the amulet of Lord Hari. Remember, he was given a chain to place around his neck. He has the kavach of Bhagavan Sri Krishna. How can you strike such a Lord that is protecting him, that if he went, my dear friends, to strike Sankachud, he would in fact be striking Bhagavan Vishnu. Because Bhagavan Vishnu's protection, armor, the kavach was around him. He says he has two blessings, O Mahadev. One is the amulet that is given to him, and the second, jab tak iski sri pati pratbata hai. His wife is very devoted, she is pure and loyal and chaste to him. And because of that devotion to him and exclusively to him alone, he has great power and strength. Hey Shankar, jab tak iska jara aur mrityu nahi hai nath. But, oh Lord, you cannot, of course, give such. Remember, of course, he was given a boon. And if you go to destroy him like that, you would not be following the path of the Vedas. You will not be following the path of Dharma. So what happens, my dear friends? Shivji is stopped by the Supreme, by the voice, the Akashic voice. And Sanat Kumar says, Akashvani ko Shiv ne वैसा ही किया और विष्णु को इस बताऊं कि आगे हुआ कारण किया. Shankar Satpurush Gati hai. That wait for Lord Vishnu and listen to what happens, my dear friends. माया के जाने वाले श्रेष्ठ विष्णु जी, बूढ़ा ब्राह्मण, Lord Vishnu came and he took the form of a old Brahmin. Vesh banaya, he described himself. Vesh means the clothing, the disguise. Shankachud Samit Jakar kahe, and he went to Shankachud. Brid Brahman bole, and he put out his hand and he looked at Shankachud. Bhagwan Vishnu describes as this old Brahman. Aap mujhe bhiksha dijiye. I want, of course, you to give me, but I want you to promise that you will give whatever I ask before I ask for what I want. So when Bhagwan went, he put out his hand in the form of the old Brahmin. He says, I want bhiksh, I want alms, but I want you to promise first that anything that I ask for, you would give me before you give me. And Shankachud, so be it. So मैं पहले नहीं मांगता हूँ, जब आए पहले शपथ को कर लेंगे, दीनों पर कृपा करने वाले आपसे कहूँगा. Until you do not say yes, you will give me anything, I would not take from your hand. And he was a lover, of course, of dharma. राज ने प्रसन्न प्रतिज्ञा, तब ब्राह्मण चले, कहा मैं आपका यह वचन. He says, so be it. यह वचन सुनकर ब्राह्मण सत्यभाषा दानव, राजन से समान प्राणों समान प्यारा कवच ब्राह्मण को दे दिया. He says, I want that amulet around your neck. And when Shankachud heard this, my dear friends, what could he do again? When a holy and a pious and noble soul comes in front of you and they ask, you have to give. And he took out the amulet and he gave it to Shankachud. Shankachud कवच ग्रहण कर लिया और फिर शंकाचुड रूप से तुलसी प्रीति मग्न किया. One of his strength was now disbanded. Bhagwan took care of weakening him by taking one of his strength. What is the other one? Shankachud ग्रहण किया. That उसकी समय शिव जी अपने वचन पालन करने निमित्त शंकाचुड मार ने प्रज्वालित शूल ग्रहण किया. वहाँ परमात्मा शंकर विजय नाम की शूल सब दिशा. When Shivji, of course, realized what Bhagwan Vishnu had done, Bhagwan says very beautifully, Sanat Kumar, Chanamatre Shivji ki haat chuta. Lord Shiva mounted the bull and charged, my dear friends, with the greatest of, greatest, the charge one, what Bhagwan says very beautifully, Shudra, without fearlessly he charged आकाश को. क्षण मात्र उसके दैत्य मार कर वहा शिव जी के त्रिशूल आकाश में होते हुआ मानो से शंकर. It pierced and it coursed through the air. And when it did that, my dear friend, अथाशूलम महिषस्य द्रुपामृत शंकरम ययो विहियास्य प्रियमनोयति स्वर्गया कृत. Immediately it circled the head of Shankachud and the trishul dropped, my dear friends. He fell just as 1,000 suns coursing through the air. And when it coursed and it touched the body of Shankachud, immediately, of course, his body disintegrated to ashes. Priyamano astibhi Shankachudasya Shankajatir babuvaha. When his body was burnt, asti means the bones. The bones that remained there, my dear friends, they formed Shankajatir buahana. The shank that we blow, the pandits blow, that was what was left after Shankachud was destroyed. Prasastam Shivatoyam Chad Sarvesham Shankaram Bina. The water of the shank is great for worshipping any devata, Bina Shankaram. Besides Lord Shiva. You cannot use the water of the shank to worship Lord Shiva. Sometimes you see an emblem of a lingam being abhisheked with water that falls from a shank, not according to the Shiv Puran. You can bathe any of the devatas with the water of the shank, but you cannot bathe Lord Shiva with the water. Shankaram Bina. You cannot bathe Lord Shiva with the waters of the shank. Shankatoyam Mahapriyam Sambandhinam Tasyana Hadasya Mahamuni. The shank, Visheshkar Vishnu, for Lord Vishnu, the shank is very great. Lakshmi Shank Jal Bahut Pyare hai. If you bathe Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu with the shank, they become very pleased and they bestow great blessings. Vaha Jal Priya, He Mahamuni, Par Shankar Gwa Priya Nahi hai. But Lord Shiva is not pleased, of course, with the waters of the shank. Brishabad ko hua, Skanda और अपने गुणों को सहित शिवलोक को चला गया. When, of course, he destroyed Shankachud, he together with the goddess and, of course, the great goddess Ambika and Skanda, Ganeshi, they all left and they went back to शिवलोक. देव शंकर आकाशवाणी सुनकर विष्णु के प्रयत्न किया, तब विष्णु जी उसके कवच ग्रहण कर. That he get the Bhagwan is telling him that Bhagwan Shivji, Sanat Kumar Ved Vyas is telling him, yet you tell me he take the amulet and he weaken him, but you didn't tell me how he was able to destroy the tapasya of his wife to get him even more weakened. And listen to what happens. फिर ब्राह्मण रूप को छोड़कर, that he abandoned the form of a Brahmin और माया से, and by the maya of Lord Vishnu, Shankachud के रूप धारण, he took the form of Shankachud. He disguised himself like her husband. रूप धारण कर तुलसी घर गमन किया, and he went to her home. तुलसी के द्वार पर दुंदुभी के शब्द बजाओ. When she heard all this drum beating, she thought her Lord is returning from battle victoriously. और जय शब्द सुंदर की समाज गया. When she heard the sounds of जय जयकार, सुंदरी आनंद से हुए आनंद. She started of course to make preparation and became very. ब्राह्मण को धन देकर उसके मंगल चढ़ कराए. She given all sorts of gifts and charity to the Brahmins. Manohar Ratna Singhasan par baithe. She prepared a very beautiful seat for Sankachud. Mangalachar karaya और कपूर आदि से सुवर्ण तांबूल, and she adorned him. तुलसी बोले असंख्य संसार संहार करने वाला वहा देव श्रेष्ठ प्रभु जिनके आगे सदा ब्रह्मा विष्णु और देवता रहते हैं. And when he sat and she welcomed him, a wife, my dear friends, there's always no the right question to ask your husband. That is that relationship. That is why janam janam ke saath hai. They are not joined for one generation, they are joined for several generations. See the connection between a husband and wife, my dear friends? That connection is a very strong connection. It is beyond any physical connection. That when Lord sit down, she asked him, she said, Lord, you went to fight Lord Shiva and you returned victorious? How is that possible? Bhagwan Vishnu disguised as her husband is sitting there. You say, how is that possible? That Lord is Deva Deva Mahadev. He is the Lord of the three worlds. He is the cause of the world. He is the one who wills Brahma, Vishnu, and even himself to be here. How it is you able to defeat him? And he started to explain. He said, Devi, that when I went there, Lord Shiva and I engaged in battle. But when the time come, we fought each other for a whole 1,000 years. And when the time come, Brahma come and he broke at peace between us, and he tell me, he said, give the devatas back what they want and you keep your strength and all leave and all go home. So an agreement was reached whereby I would give back the devatas what they possess, and I. So like that she did not question her husband. And of course, Brahma ji आकर दोनों प्रतिकर that we give everything. और उपद्रव सनत कुमार बोले जगत पिता ऐसे कहकर शयन किया और रमापति उनके साथ बिहार. That when she listened to the words of Sankachud, she left. And of course, in the evening, Vahasadhavi, he of course lay with his wife. आकाश वाले रमन को देखकर तड़कना करने लगे और वाले तू कौन है? But you see, a wife always knows a husband. And if she calls out and somebody else imitates her husband's voice and they respond, she will know it's not her husband. And so too a man knows his wife. Am I correct? All wives know their husband, right? I would hope. And all husbands supposed to know their wife very well. And that is what happened. When Bhagwan lay next to her, and he of course touched her, she realized, this person looking like my husband, but this is not my husband. The connection was not there. How do they say in English? The chemistry. The chemistry wasn't happening. And when she realized, my dear friends, see how we pick up how deception even can help you? Don't mind how you disguise yourself, you just get catch, you know. Don't ever do that. Bhagwan says, never use deceptive means to achieve what you want. They always tell you that, right? What is done in the dark eventually comes to light. Yes. Whatever is done in the dark eventually comes to light. Therefore, don't do anything in the dark. Many different ways we can say it. But when she realized, Tulsi bole, tu kaun hai? Who are you? You are not my husband. सत्य कहूं तेरी माया मुझे भोगी, तेने मेरे सतीपन कर किया. You use Maya to come and violate my chastity. You came here, of course, to break my devotion to my husband. मैं तुझको शाप देते हूँ. For doing such, you shall become cursed. सनत कुमार से ब्यासी तुलसी वचन सुनकर शाप के भय से हरि लीला की अपनी मनोहर मूर्ति धारण की. When he heard the curse, my dear friends, uttered from her lips because he was afraid. When is there such a time that the Lord of the three worlds, Bhagwan Vishnu, becomes afraid of a devotee, especially a woman? When she, my dear friends, possessed that type of nobility to her husband. A woman's strength is in her chastity. The more chaste, the more pure. And that purity, my dear friends, will take her husband, herself, and her entire family to heaven. A woman's chastity and her fidelity to her husband, that is her greatest weapon, not only in this world, even in the world of the devatas. When he realized, Tulsi bole, "Hey Vishnu, tumki daya nahi hai." She says, "Lord, you are the God that I serve and pray, but you have no mercy in your heart. You do not have mercy. Tumhara man pashan ke saman hai. You have a mind that is hard like stone. You have a mind that is solid like a rock. Pati dharma bhang karke tumne meri swami bad karaye hain. So low you stooped that you destroyed my loyalty to my husband so that you could have killed him. You are not a Lord that is worthy of worship. Tum pashan saman dayahin karma rahit hai." That type of karma, the action that you undertook, you did not even think once of the consequences of my feelings. Only, of course, one who is stone-hearted will be capable of such. Rahit uske mein shaap, tum pashan ho jaya. Because of my sarap, you shall become a stone. पाषण हो गया. जो अपने दया सागर करते निश्चय, भ्रांति पदे तो इसमें संदेह नहीं आपके बिना, अपराध दूसरे निमित्त भक्तों को कैसे भरा. How does the Lord, when we, my dear friends, are in pain, we just beg the Lord to forgive we, but when the Lord is in pain, who he go beg? Who is he going to beg? When the Lord is cursed at the lips of a devotee, especially a devotee that is pure, who is the Lord going to turn to? And like this, Bhagavan says, Sanat Kumar Sankachur Priya Sati Tulsi is prakar. When she said this, Pratidharmasya Bhoganam Mama Swami Huta Kalu, that you destroyed him for the sake, Kahakar Shokamade, with this worry within his mind, Bhagavan Vishnu vilap karne uske roti हुए, देख कर परमेश्वर विष्णु शंकर के स्मरण किया. Tears streaming down from the eyes of Lord Vishnu, streaming down his cheek. Shankar ko smaran karne, he closed his eyes, and the only place, my dear friends, he could get refuge is at the feet of Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shiva, Hari Om Namah Shiva. With tears, my dear friends, falling from his eyes, he remembers Lord Shiva. Om Namah Shiva, Hari Om Namah Shiva. Shankar bolne, that Lord Shiva says, Tulsi, tum mat roe, that do not cry, abandon your fears. Koi karma phal bhogte hai. This is the result of karma. It is not because of anyone's action or inaction. इस कर्म अनुसार संसार सुख दुख देने वाले कोई नहीं है. This world is full of pleasure and pain. Last night I was telling you, Gita tells us that very beautifully. Dvanvaid vimukta sukha dukha sangaid. That person who can live between the opposites, the pairs of opposites, they alone, my dear friends, become. The dukh hone kar, is sharir tyag kar, abandon this body, for it has become impure. Dharan kar nitya hari ke saath bihar ko tab ka phal hai. Because of your tapasya, because of your merit, you shall occupy a place in Vaikunt with Lord Vishnu. Tere is choda hua sharir ke ek nadi hoga. But this body, wherever it falls, that body will then form a nadi. What is a nadi? Nadi is a Nadiya na piya kabhi apna chal, breksh na khaye kabhi apne. What is a nadi? Yes. नदियाँ न पिया कभी अपना जल, वृक्ष न खाए कभी अपने. Yes, you will become a nadi. That body of yours that you have abandoned, it will become, of course, a river. And what happens? Sanat Kumar says, Gandaki naam bikyata hoga. That river's name would be known as Gandaki. It will be known as the Gandaki. Or Punya Rupa hoga. It will be the embodiment of all Punya, good merit. हे देवी, देव पूजा साधन से कितने काल के उपरंत तुम मेरे वर से प्रधान रूप तुलसी होगी. And because of that, the tulsi plant that grows from place to place, you will get a blessing that tulsi leaf, until it is not given in Deva Puja, none will become satisfied. Swarga, Martya, Patal, Tino Lok mein tum sada hari ke samip rahenga. For taking your husband from you, in Swarga, in heaven and on the earth, you shall remain dear and near to Bhagwan Vishnu. Tu sab kuch phul briksha sresh tulsi ki briksha bena. You will become, of course, the trees that are known as the tulsi. Tum briksha ke adashatri devti vaikunth ko divya roop, that go up there. Ab Ganga, Gandaki nadi binarik hari tere, shap se bharat mein pashan roop sthit kare. And Bhagwan Vishnu will become the stone upon the bank of that river. Remember, she cursed him to become a stone? He will become the rock that is on the side. Vahati tiksha dhoda. And the sharp teeth, or the sharp, of course, cutting instruments of the germs of the insects, they will bore through his body. They will, of course, carve themselves to his body. Balakoti ki keet shiv ko bhedan kar usme chaka. Is prakar shaligram sheel vaha punya dene wale hai. After that germ or that insect has carved its way, that stone will be known as Shaligram Sheel. If you look here, I have, of course, this is what is called Shaligram Sheel. Banyakun Chakra Bhed se Lakshmi Narayan Naam wali hoge. Because of the numbers of chakra, if you open to one, my dear friends, you will see a chakra. You know what is that chakra? How the Sudarshan chakras be? You see the Shaligram. If you look at this one, you can't see it from here, but close by if you come, you will see how the insect carve out the stone, the chakra inside here. An insect does that. This is Bhagwan Vishnu, because of the sap that he gets from a devotee. Vishnu Shaligram Sheel tumhara sang bahut punya dene wale hai. He who worships this rock of Bhagwan Vishnu, all merits come to them. Jo Shaligram tulsi patra ke chit karege, janamantare uski sri biyog hoga. A person who puts Shaligram on this, tulsi flower upon this, and they tear the tulsi flower away from, while they're touching the Shaligram, they will be separated from their wives for 7 generations. Never ever, when the tulsi is placed on this, do you ever separate it. So he says very beautifully like this, Punyadayak. It is, of course, the embodiment of all. Sanat Kumar Bole, he says very beautifully that person, of course, he also gave Bhagwan a different type of blessing. He said, when the insect and borrow in the rock, two type of Shaligram you will get. One that does fall in the river, inside the water. Anusar tup se manushukub sab kamna dene punyadak charit. One that does fall inside the water. And the one that falls inside of the water, that one is said to be punyakaram. That gives good merit. But the one that remains on the bank of the river, if you use that one, papanash, it becomes the destroyer of your lineage. You always have to take the Shaligram that comes from inside of the Gandaki river. So Bhagwan Sanat Kumar is explaining, Shivarpam Nameka Tvatshirodhyaya. That when one is loyal to Lord Shiva, this is the type of blessings, my dear friends, that they get. Bhagwan Vishnu earned the title, of course, of being worshipped through the rock known as the Shaligram. Akal Mrityu Harnam Brahmatyadi Noshanam Rognam Punyadam Pashe Shidupada Avanejanam. Anybody who touches the water that touches that Shaligram and you drink of it, Akal Mrityu Harnam, untimely death, all sorts of terrible sins, you will be, of course, saved from. Hari Om Iti Sri Shupuran Panchashanka Chudadhyaya Tulsi Shapavarnam Name Katvare Shirodhyaya Om Namah Shivaya Hari Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Hari Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya शिवाय। उमापति महादेव की प्रेम से बोलो श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की प्रेम से बोलो श्री उमापति महादेव की। This, my dear friends, brings us to the end of Katha. Bhagwan says very beautifully that one who listens to this Katha of Lord Shiva, rest assured that whenever the time comes, he who listens to this Katha of Shivji, they received of the greatest blessing. And of course, Bhakti, Mukti, Pradam Punyam, Kim Bhuya Srutam Ichhasi. He who listens, he gets his desires in this world fulfilled. And of course, the devotion to Lord Shiva is awakened. This, my dear friends, has brought us to the end of Katha for this evening. Let me, of course, say to each and every one of you that hence, of course, Sankachud was destroyed. The Sank become very dear and near to Vishnu. The Saligram, of course, to Bhagwan Vishnu. And the Tulsi, which incarnated, of course, she took her birth in this world as the Gandaki, and of the sacred Tulsi, the basil plant, which occupies a special place. Katha also tells you that wherever there is in that home where a Saligram, Tulsi plant, and a Sank is kept, not does only Lord Vishnu and Lakshmi become pleased, Lord Shiva also becomes very pleased. May Bhagwan, of course, and the blessings. Tomorrow is the Ekadasi. Tomorrow, of course, is the 11th day of the dark fortnight. A great Brat, of course, that is observed in the name of Bhagwan Vishnu. May the blessings of that Lord Vishnu and Bhagwan Shivji forever be upon you and your entire family. Umapati Mahadev ki Jai. I break from tradition for just a few moments. Of course, Pandit Brijal Rambali is here with us, senior. He has declined as he usually does. He, of course, believes, he is of the firm belief, which is correct actually, that after the Vyas speaks, nobody else should speak. Let me, of course, thank each and every one of you for being here this evening. Bhagwan's blessings to each and every one of you who have taken, of course, the time and left. I know, during the week it's difficult for us to be here, but I want to thank you very, very much, of course, for being here to join with Shiv Katha. The merits of it, my dear friends, you would realize only in time to come. May that Lord continue to shower His grace upon each and every one of you. Sab log ko aarti karenge. Let us all stand, of course, as we chant Shiv Aarti, glorifying, of course, the Lord through the waving of the sacred light. Om Namah Shivaya, Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Bolo! Om Namah Shivaya, Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Bolo! Om Namah Shivaya, Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Om Jai Shiva Omkara, Prabhu Har Shiva Omkara. Jai Shiva Omkara, Prabhu Har Shiva Omkara.